Good afternoon, everyone. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and now we're going to take a look at the new features of Ubuntu Linux. And the first thing we're going to do, this is your new splash screen, and what you're going to do is you're going to move your mouse up like this, and then you can sign in. Now, hang on just a second. I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and as soon as I do, I'm going to restart this, so hang on. Okay, we're back, and now we're going to check out the new features of Ubuntu 18.04. When you install Ubuntu 18.04, when you upgrade it, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, there is a button, and I know it's hard to see. It's a green one, and it's going to be right up here. See that green button? We're going to hit it. It's called Next, so let's go ahead and hit it. We have a new thing called Live Patch. Canonical Live Patch helps keep your computer secure by applying some updates that would normally require restarting. Would you like to set up Live Patch now? Well, why not? Let's do it. Okay, it's going to ask for my password, so hang on just a second and then I'll show you what's going on here. And we're back. After you type in your password, it's going to come up with this here. You have to set up a single sign-on account for Ubuntu, and that requires you to type in your email address, and then they're going to ask you to set up a password. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, and hang on just a second. As soon as I do, I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, when you tell Ubuntu that you want to register for an account, it will open up your web browser, whether you're using Firefox or in my case I'm using Google Chrome, and this will appear, and then you fill in every piece of information that it wants you to fill in. So that's what I'm going to do. Hang on just a second and I'll show you what to do next. I have finally finished setting up Live Patch, so let's go on to the next screen. Here we go. Alright, it says help improve Ubuntu. Okay, yes, we're going to send any errors that we encounter with Ubuntu automatically to Ubuntu so that they can figure out what's going on and hopefully fix them. So, yes, let's send system information to Canonical, whatever that is. Alright, we are ready to go. And you can use software to install any of these kind of apps or anything else you want to install. Okay, so anyway, let's finish this. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to check to see if my exist database will still work. I'm also going to set this up once again to be along the bottom of the screen instead of up here. And there's all kinds of other things. You can actually see it's right now, it's a Tuesday. I'm sure there's a way you can adjust this. This shows you a calendar. This is something brand new in this thing. You have a calendar. Right now it is June the 19th, 2018, so you have that. If there were any notifications, you'd have that right there. And I'm sure there's a host of all brand new features here. Let's see. Well, that just shows you your internet connection and that kind of other stuff. And let's see, anything else? Well, let's see here. Oh, and this button here shows you your applications. And you can do one of those webcam things here. You have your exist database here, Google Chrome, we have Handbrake in our computer, we have the Mahjong game, okay, we have LibreOffice, it looks like we got an Isle Riot Solitaire, we have a calculator, we can purchase things from Amazon. Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. So anyway, we have the input method. We can change the language of our computer if we want to. So I will go through here and see what we come up with, and then I will tell you more in a future video. So I'd like for you to just stay tuned.